If you are running ads on Facebook or Google, but your phone is silent, your website is empty, and your wallet is getting lighter, this video is for you. Today I will show you exactly why your ads are failing and how real businesses turned their ads from loss making to profit making with simple fixes you can apply immediately. Last month I met a business owner, let's call him Rahul. Rahul sells premium office chairs. He was spending 1500 rupees per day on ads but getting only 1 or 2 leads a week. And he asked me, Bro, everyone online says digital marketing works. Then why are my ads not working? And trust me, this is the story of thousands of business owners, not just Rahul, maybe you too. So today I am breaking down the top 5 reasons your ads don't work and how Rahul improved his ROI by 300% in just 2 weeks. So let's start. The first reason is you are targeting the wrong people. Most Indian business owners run ads like this. They set audience as all India and age as 18 to 65. That's it. Targeting is done, they says. But that's not how it works. Rahul was showing ads for 15,000 to 25,000 office chairs to students and teenagers who don't even buy chairs. Forget premium ones. So 80% of his ad budget was wasted. So to fix that, know your exact customers like their age, their income, their interest, their from city or not, pain point, etc. Use detailed targeting properly. For B2B products, target job roles plus interest. For premium products, exclude low income categories. When we changed Rahul's targeting from all India to just 10 specific IT and office heavy cities, its lead quality instantly improved. The reason too is your creatives don't grab attention. Your ad creative is the first thing people see. And let's be honest, many ads look like just another WhatsApp forward image. A bakery owner in Hyderabad was running ads like order cakes to best quality with a random stock photo. No emotion, no hook. So you know the result obviously. Zero orders. To fix that, use these 3 proven formats. Food based video. Stop buying unhealthy bakery cakes. Like that. Second one is before and after creative. Before you show dry cake and after you show fresh dripping chocolate. And the last one is USP image. Show what makes your product unique. USP means unique selling point. When the bakery owner switched to short 10-second videos showing fresh cake making, their orders went up 5x in 3 days. The third reason is your landing page or WhatsApp funnel is broken. Even if your ad is excellent, but your landing page looks like a government form, don't expect sales. Most small businesses send customers to a slow website, a cluttered homepage, or directly to WhatsApp with no context. As Jaipur saree sellers send traffic directly to WhatsApp, but because customers didn't know the price, the variety, and offers, they simply texted price, shape, color, like that questions, and left the chat. Make a clean, simple landing page. Show your best selling product. Keep only one CTA like WhatsApp, like call button or buy now button. Mention price, benefits, shipping, guarantee clearly. The one bonus tip is use high speed builders like Wix, Shopify or WordPress with lightweight themes. The fourth reason is you are not retargeting. Now here's the truth. First time visitors almost never buy. Especially in India, everyone compares, everyone waits, everyone screenshots. Think about yourself. How many times have you purchased something the very first time you saw it online? Hardly ever, right? A Delhi based clothing brand got lot of traffic but no sales. When we set up retargeting ads showing people the exact product they viewed, sales doubled in 6 days. To fix that, use Meta Pixel, Google Analytics, etc. The retargeting audience like website visitors, added to carts, WhatsApp chats, video viewers, etc. Show them the reviews, offers, limited time deals properly so they can buy when they see the second time. Reason number 5 is you don't track or optimize. Most business owners run ads like this. Money was put in, there was a fight, no result. It was a latest fault. No, the fault is no tracking. Most common mistake they are doing is they repeat the same creative, same audience, same message for months, expecting different results. To fix that, track CPC, CTR, CPM, landing page clicks, leads or sales, and ROAS daily. Rahul's ad were performing badly, but when we finally checked the numbers, we saw high clicks, zero conversions, which led us to discover his landing page had a broken form. Fixing that one thing shot up his leads instantly. So, what happened to Rahul after applying these 5 changes like correct targeting, creative makeover, strong landing page, retargeting, and optimization? He went from 1500 rupees per day and 1 to leads per week to 1200 rupees per day and 8 to 12 high quality leads per day. That's a 300% improvement with simple tweaks, not by spending more money. If you are running ads but getting no results, don't blame digital marketing. Fix the system, fix the targeting, fix the creatives, and fix the funnel. If you want a full video where I build a perfect ad funnel step by step, comment funnel below. And if you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more digital marketing content made for business owners like you.